Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Warcraft 3 Frozen Throne for beginners. First, let's cover the basics. Your main goal is to destroy your opponent's base while protecting your own. There are 4 distinct races, each with unique units and strategies. Take some time to explore the user interface and learn the essential hotkeys. They are crucial for efficient gameplay and quick reactions during battles. Resource management is key to victory. You'll need gold from gold mines and lumber from trees to construct buildings and train units. Start by building a few farms to increase your food supply, then barracks to train your first soldiers. Remember, a strong economy fuels a powerful army, so always keep your resource collection efficient and your base expanding strategically. Heroes are central to Warcraft 3. Select a hero at the start of each game. They gain experience and levels, unlocking powerful spells and abilities. Use these abilities strategically in combat to turn the tide of battle. Understanding unit counters is also vital. For example, ranged units often excel against melee units. Practice these tactics to improve your combat effectiveness. To truly master Warcraft 3, explore custom games and various game modes for endless fun. Watching professional players can provide invaluable insights into advanced strategies, build orders, and unit positioning. Consistent practice is essential for honing your micromanagement, controlling individual units, and macro management, overseeing your economy and base. Keep playing, keep learning, and enjoy the journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.